good morning. It's 7:54 in the morning in the Philippines. Ayan. I'm home now. Came from work and then what I'm gonna do this morning is I cook rice now, and then I just have a quick breakfast, simple breakfast in this morning. And then while I'm cooking rice, I'm gonna go to a laundry shop. I'm gonna bring all my dirty clothes to laundry shop because I don't have time to wash it all. I have my washing machine, but I don't have time to do this. I don't have time to do this washing. So I'd rather want to bring this in the laundry shop, and then I'm gonna pay my water consumption for this month. Okay guys, let's go. Ang bigat. Putik, ang bigat. And guys, I feel a little bit exhausted, tired. That's why I'm gonna bring my dirty clothes to the laundry shop. Bigat. And guys, let's go to laundry shop. Guys, meron ditong
Ako naman taga. Saan yung taga?
Ito.
Salamat.
Good morning.
Tama ko dyan, Fred. Tama ka. Babalik ko po. Sino? Isama mo po.
Opo.
Isama mo.
Ayan, sana guys, lahat ng area ganito nagtutulungan sa paglilinis. Ayan.
Agad ko. Ano, kamusta kaya, Mat? Oy, tapos niyo. Basura?
Nag-YouTube po kasi ako, YouTuber po ako. Pinapakita ko po sa ibang mga tao yung tulungan, paglilinis sa bawat ano. Para ma-encourage din sila. Ayan guys, nakakatuwang pagmasdan sila. Sisipag nila, oh, ako na lang hindi naglinis dito sa lugar namin. Nakakatuwa naman dito. Sana po may mga ganyan din sa inyong mga barangay, guys. Ano. And guys, thank you for watching, and it's a very beautiful weather today. Thanks God. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Ayan guys, tingnan natin yung ano, yung tinapos nilang nilinis kanina. Ayan, di ba guys? Ayan kanina guys, ang daming tao dyan kanina. Ang damo. Ngayon malinis na. Ayan. Kakatuwa sila guys.